Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up in Line. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well, so worry not. Right here at the bottom, you can see two buttons, namely Login and Sign Up. In case you have an account, simply click on Login, else click on Sign Up. I'm gonna click on it right now. And guys, that is it. Once you do that, simply select the country of your residence and similarly continue with Google. Click on this button right here and select the Google account of your choice. And guys, that is it. As you can see, I have selected my Google account. Now I'm simply gonna click on continue. And guys, that is it. Now all you need to do is simply enter your name right here. Once you've done that, simply click on next. Furthermore, enter your password and once again re-enter it right now. As you can see, I have entered it. Now I'm simply gonna click on next. And guys, that is it. As you can see, our Line account has been created. Well guys, that is it. That is how you sign up in Line. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.